So here we have Brian's ZR2, 42-inch TSLs, up to about 2 foot on lift or so. Just put another 6.5 inches of lift on it the other evening, he did. And he got stopped uptown last night. State trooper here in the wonderful state of South Carolina told him it was too high. Headlight to the ground supposed to be like 48 inches or something. Might have been 57 inches, I can't remember what it was, but anyway, it's about a foot too high according to him. $15 wide, 42-15 Super Twomper TSLs. Don't know how smart that state trooper was, but he also said it didn't have a muffler on it. Can't really get in there to show it to you. But there it is. He said it didn't have a muffler on it. Well, there's the muffler right there. I forgot to mention, while our wonderful state trooper was investigating the legal position of this truck, he just stuck these aluminum wheels on here. But he missed this. 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 5 wheel studs broke out. Now that might be a safety violation or a safety problem. It sure does look nice. I'm gonna hate to see it lower back now. Talked to Brian a while ago. He said he's gonna set his headlight dead on the law legal limit. Said it's gonna be barely legal. I guess they'll probably stop him again, want to run their mouth some more.